My name is Dr. Fuller. I would like to introduce you to the mathematical world around you. Have you ever wondered why you need to learn about units? You know, those things your teacher asks you to write down in your answers, like miles or seconds? If you think about it, we work with unit measurements most of the time. Though the units in math class are often like measurements of distance or time, we sometimes need to know how many participants sit at a table for a function. In this case, the number of participants per table is just a different type of unit. Therefore, understanding how to use units is very important. One way that helps when working with different units and converting between units is a process called dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis just means keeping the units in the problem, using units for per unit representation, and canceling out the same unit when it appears in both the numerator and the denominator. Suppose I want to know how many seconds are in 3 hours. I will use dimensional analysis to help ensure my answer is correct. Since I do not know how many seconds are in 1 hour, I will convert to minutes first. There are 60 minutes per 1 hour, so I write this as a fraction. There are 60 seconds per 1 minute, so I write this as a fraction. Now, we can simplify the expression to convert. Since I am multiplying fractions, I make the first value a fraction by putting a 1 in the denominator. Finally, we multiply across and cancel out units that appear in the numerator and denominator. If I place the unit information in the wrong location, the unit measurements would not cancel out or would result in something strange. In my mathematical world, I have one little problem. I am trying to feed 54 people for lunch. In the organizing and planning process, I need to determine the amount of food, but I also need to transport the food and set up the venue appropriately. To help with the transportation process, I found transport cases that hold 9 entrees and ones that hold 18 side items. Help me plan by answering the following questions. Be sure to include your units so the answer makes sense. How many entree cases will I need per group? How many side item cases will I need per group? How many of each case type will I need in total? How many salads do I need per group? How many cartloads do I need to serve the 3 groups of people? I decide to hire a person to help with every 4 carts. How many people will I need to hire? Take a look and you will see a mathematical world around you, filled with units. From minutes and seconds to feet and miles to Scoville units and helens. Units are all around you. Understanding them can prevent you from starting a problem with pencils and ending with teapots. Pay attention to the units you work with to help you understand the world around you.